Once you're ready to build your professional presence on LinkedIn, Dynal.AI refines your copy to feel more polished, natural, and authentic. Now, copy your content into your LinkedIn agent and select Refine My Post. From here, you can choose the length, the engagement CTA, and the content structure. Everything is set. Let your LinkedIn agent get to work. Your content is ready. If it doesn't feel right yet, you can refine it further. Make it more reflective. Make it shorter. Or add a stronger question hook. You have plenty of options: length, CTA, structure, language, and style. Use AI to polish your copy for clarity and tone, making it sound more natural, confident, and authentic. When everything looks good, you can click Publish to post directly to LinkedIn. Personally, I prefer to copy and paste it back into LinkedIn and publish it there. And now, your post is live. With Dynal, you focus on your ideas. AI handles the rest. So every LinkedIn post sounds natural, confident, and truly you. Subscribe to our channel for more.